Hey, it's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and we are going to unbox the Lenovo C930 straight ahead. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. This is Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and we are going to unbox this Lenovo Yoga C930 that we got in for review. I have to be honest with you guys, I'm a bit behind on laptop reviews. I've had this guy for quite a bit, actually, and we'll be getting to the review hopefully soon. Have a few other Lenovo laptops, some Dell laptops, and I think I'm done with the HP laptops, but I got a few laptops I need to get through. So I thought we'd do an unboxing today. I know that we're working on your YouTube channel. We want to get some more YouTube videos out, and I know you guys like unboxing, so let's get to it. This is the Lenovo Yoga C930 13.3-inch laptop, a 2-in-1. That's what the Yogas are. They call them 2-in-1s, convertibles, whatever you want to call them. So let's open this sucker up and see what we got inside. I already took it out of the brown box that I had it in, just because it's easier. And the Yogas, they come in a nice presentation here where you just flip these two panels up and it kind of presents itself to you. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but I think it's pretty cool. Just a little lift up. It's really nice attention to detail by Lenovo. Comes in a nice cloth sleeve. We'll put the laptop to the side and see what we have inside the box here. Inside the box we have a couple more boxes. Inside this box you have your power cable. And in the other box, I'm assuming you're going to find the power brick. I'm more than certain that's what it is. Let's take a look. Inside this box, you will find your power brick. Yes, indeed. Most laptops these days are coming pretty sparse without too many extras. Just the things that you need. So your power brick, power cable. It's a good presentation though. I really like how Lenovo has done this. I'm just going to stuff that in there, get it out of the way for now. I don't think there's anything else in here. I think those are the only two things. We're going to put this to the side. This is a really nice box. It's going to be nice if you guys if you do buy this laptop and you want to resell it. This is a nice way to present it. So, to the laptop. Let's see what we got here. There she is. Nice kind of steel gray, iron gray looking color here. You can see that. The Yoga branding here at the top. Nice rubber feet here at the bottom. And then there looks like to be a speaker grill, which is, I'm not sure if that's a speaker grill or not. I'm gonna have to look at the specs on this one, but that's a pretty cool looking design. I like that. There's a power button on the side, and it comes with the pen actually. And if you push that in, you get your pen. Since this is a tablet as well, 2-in-1 convertible. And the pen charges inside of there. You can see the actual the connector pins right there for charging the pen, keeping the pen powered up at all times. On this side you have the USB port, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt ports, headphone jack, and I don't think that's anything there. And I think those are just and power button. That's it for ports. That's all you got for ports. Let's see what we got in the inside. Alright. Yes. A little protection there. Of course you see it is a convertible. And if you can see up here, it has Dolby Atmos speaker system, which I believe this is what that is. And that's pretty cool. That's actually pretty neat. I really prefer, I've always harped on Lenovo for having speakers that were on the bottom but down firing on your lap, and that's just really annoying. And then when you fold up your tablet and you're going into tablet mode, your speakers are stuffed down underneath. But this is kind of nice having that bar there. Let's power it up and see what we got going on, if it powers up. I'm not sure we have power on this guy. It's been sitting there for a while. no power, so we'll just have to skip that. But it looks like there is a privacy shutter on the camera, which is kind of nice. Keyboards are always nice on Lenovo's. I've always liked, I especially like their ThinkPad line. They do a really good job with their ThinkPad line. The trackpads have gotten better on PCs over the years. It's got a Fingerprint Reader here. I'm sure it comes with Windows Hello for the camera inside. Yeah, that is the Lenovo Yoga C930. I believe that's a C930. Let's take a look one more time. Yes, indeed. This one comes with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 of storage, 13.9-inch Full HD IPS display, and it's running an Intel i7 8550U, clocked at 1.8. So, yep, the Yoga C930, that's what we have here. And you'll have a full review coming up on TECHAERIS.com at some point here in the near future. That is a lovely laptop. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure you take a look at our latest episode number 2, where we're doing a giveaway. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button below, and we'll see you next time.